The flowers in a meadow have predictable everyday roles until a newcomer bursts onto the scene. Daisy's difference feels like a threat to the floral establishment. But Poppy takes a different perspective. Daisy's vibrancy is attracting more pollinators. Pragmatist Poppy nudges the bees towards the quieter blooms, pointing out their untapped resources. It's strategic thinking. The newcomer's difference is an asset, even if it does ruffle some petals. Slowly, others start to see this angle. Their success depends on being open to change. Flowers used to keeping their heads down unfurl. The meadow begins to resemble something more complex, more resilient. Diversity alone is not inclusion. How can you make everyone part of the team?